In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view photo in Waze. We'll be using Waze's map and editor tools to find a place and check the photos connected to it. This is useful if you want to confirm what a location looks like, review landmark images, or simply make sure you're looking at the right place before making any edits or decisions. To get started, go to Waze. Once the site loads, open the live map view first. This is the easiest place to begin because it gives you a clear overview of the area and helps you access the tools you'll need next. When you're on the live map, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area contains the controls and options that let you move beyond basic map browsing. Take a second to locate the icons carefully so you don't click the wrong one. From there, click on the pencil icon. This is the option that takes you into editing mode, where you can interact with place details in a much more detailed way than on the standard live map. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the editor interface appears fully before moving on. Next, go to the search bar and type in the location or address associated with the photo you want to view. Try to be as specific as possible when searching, especially if the place name is common. A more accurate search helps you find the correct listing faster and avoids opening the wrong location. Once the correct result appears, click on the place or landmark to open its details panel. This panel is where Waze stores more information about that specific location, including business or landmark details and any related media. Make sure you've selected the right place before continuing, since similar locations can sometimes appear close together on the map. After that, look to the left-hand side and navigate to the Photos tab. This section is where images connected to the selected place are stored. Depending on the location, you may see one photo, several photos, or none at all if no images have been added yet. At this point, you can view the photo or photos available for that place. You can use these images to better identify the location and confirm that it matches what you were searching for. And that's it. That's how to view photo in Waze. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to find place photos quickly and easily inside the Waze editor.